Reaching for the stars. Meet Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams dreamed of space. As a child, she gazed at the stars, her imagination soaring. She yearned to explore the unknown. Driven by this passion, Sunita dedicated herself to becoming an astronaut. Her journey was long and demanding, filled with rigorous training and unwavering commitment. But her spirit never wavered. She knew her destiny lay beyond the bounds of Earth. In 2006, Sunita's dream became reality. She launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, headed for the International Space Station. This was no ordinary mission. Sunita was about to embark on an incredible journey, living and working in space for over 9 months. A home away from home. Living on the International Space Station. The ISS became Sunita's temporary home, a shining beacon of human ingenuity orbiting Earth. This marvel of engineering, a collaboration between nations, provided a unique environment for scientific research and exploration. Sunita, along with her fellow astronauts, would spend their days conducting experiments and maintaining the station. They were pioneers, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and experience. Life in space was unlike anything on Earth. Everything from eating to sleeping required adaptation. The absence of gravity created a surreal and challenging environment. Simple tasks, like brushing your teeth or preparing a meal, became intriguing puzzles. But Sunita embraced these challenges with a sense of wonder and a determination to adapt. Space challenges, the ultimate test of strength. The vast expanse of space is not just a frontier of exploration, but a battleground for human endurance and resilience. Living in space for an extended period took a toll on the human body. The microgravity environment posed unique challenges that tested the limits of human physiology. Without the constant pull of gravity, muscles weakened and bones lost density. This phenomenon, known as muscle atrophy and bone demineralization, required astronauts to engage in daily physical activities to mitigate these effects. Sunita had to combat these effects with a rigorous exercise routine, spending hours each day on a treadmill and other specialized equipment. Her dedication to maintaining her physical health was unwavering, knowing it was essential for her well-being. She knew that maintaining her physical health was crucial for mission success and her safe return to Earth. Regular health checks and monitoring were part of her daily routine to ensure she stayed in peak condition. The isolation of space also presented psychological challenges. The vast emptiness and the sense of being millions of miles away from home could weigh heavily on the mind. Being millions of miles from loved ones and the familiar comforts of Earth could be daunting. The emotional strain of such isolation required mental fortitude and resilience. Sunita relied on regular communication with her family and support from her crewmates to stay connected and maintain morale. Video calls, emails, and messages were lifelines that kept her grounded. She found solace in sharing her experiences and drawing strength from the bonds she formed with her fellow astronauts. These connections were vital, providing a sense of camaraderie and mutual support in the challenging environment of space. A day in the life of an astronaut, routine and exercise. Life on the International Space Station is a unique blend of discipline and adaptability. Life on the ISS followed a strict schedule, meticulously crafted to ensure the smooth functioning of the station and the well-being of its crew. Each day was meticulously planned, balancing work, exercise, and personal time. This balance was crucial to maintain both physical and mental health in the challenging environment of space. Sunita's day began with a wake-up call and a quick breakfast, carefully prepared to be consumed in zero gravity. The morning routine set the tone for a productive day ahead. Then, it was time for work, conducting experiments, monitoring systems, and maintaining the station. Each task was vital for the success of their mission and the safety of the crew. Exercise was a non-negotiable part of Sunita's routine. In the microgravity environment, maintaining muscle mass and bone density required consistent effort. She dedicated 2 hours each day to counteracting the effects of microgravity on her body. This commitment was essential to prevent muscle atrophy and bone loss. Running on a treadmill strapped in with bungee cords was a common exercise, simulating the resistance of gravity. Lifting weights designed for space provided the necessary resistance training to keep her muscles strong. Engaging in other specialized exercises became her daily ritual, ensuring a comprehensive workout routine. These workouts were not just about physical health, but also about maintaining mental sharpness and combating feelings of isolation. Exercise played a crucial role in keeping the crew mentally fit and resilient. Living in space was full of fascinating oddities. Food, carefully packaged and dehydrated on Earth, had to be rehydrated and secured to prevent it from floating away. Sunita quickly learned the art of chasing after a rogue piece of broccoli or a stray M&M. Sleeping was another unique experience, with astronauts strapped into sleeping bags to prevent them from drifting around the station. Even showering in space was an adventure. Water dispensed as a fine mist had to be carefully captured and recycled. Sunita became adept at this zero-gravity hygiene routine, proving that even in the most unusual environments, humans find a way to adapt. Keeping busy science experiments and spacewalks. Beyond the daily routines, Sunita's time on the ISS was filled with exciting and challenging tasks. Every day brought new opportunities to explore and learn. She participated in numerous scientific experiments, each designed to push the boundaries of our knowledge, ranging from studying the effects of microgravity on plant growth, which could have implications for future space farming, to observing the behavior of fluids in space, which helps us understand how liquids move and interact in a weightless environment. These experiments were crucial for advancing our understanding of the universe and developing new technologies that could benefit life on Earth. One of the most exhilarating experiences for Sunita was venturing outside the ISS for spacewalks. These walks were not just routine, they were adventures. Donning her spacesuit, she would step out into the vastness of space, feeling the thrill of the unknown. Tethered to the station, to perform maintenance tasks or install new equipment, ensuring the ISS remained operational and safe. These spacewalks were physically demanding and required meticulous precision, as even the smallest mistake could have significant consequences. But the feeling of floating above Earth, seeing the planet from such a unique perspective, surrounded by the infinite expanse of the cosmos, was a humbling and awe-inspiring experience. It was an experience beyond compare, one that few people on Earth will ever get to witness firsthand. Emergency in orbit. A story of quick thinking. Life in space was not without its dangers. During her mission, Sunita faced a critical situation when a piece of space debris threatened to collide with the ISS. The crew had to act quickly, maneuvering the station to avoid a potentially catastrophic impact. Sunita's training and composure under pressure were tested as she worked alongside her crewmates to avert disaster. This incident served as a stark reminder of the unforgiving nature of space. It highlighted the importance of constant vigilance, quick thinking, and the ability to remain calm and focused in the face of danger. Sunita's actions during this emergency demonstrated her exceptional skills and bravery, qualities essential for any astronaut. The mental game, staying positive millions of miles away. Living in space for an extended period was as much a mental challenge as a physical one. The isolation, confinement, and constant awareness of the risks involved could take a toll on even the most resilient individuals. Sunita recognized the importance of maintaining her mental well-being and developed strategies to stay positive and focused. She found solace in gazing out the window at our blue planet, reminding herself of the beauty and wonder of the universe. She cherished her communication time with family and friends, drawing strength from their love and support. And she found joy in the simple things, like listening to music, reading books, and sharing stories with her crewmates. Lessons from orbit. Sunita's legacy of resilience. After 9 incredible months, Sunita's mission came to an end. She returned to Earth, bringing with her a wealth of knowledge, experience, and a profound appreciation for our planet. Her journey had been one of courage, determination, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. She had pushed the boundaries of human endurance and inspired generations to reach for the stars. Sunita's story is a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that resides within us all. It teaches us that with passion, dedication, and a willingness to embrace challenges, we can achieve extraordinary things. Her legacy continues to inspire, reminding us that the sky is not the limit when there are footprints on the moon.